The snow has finally melted here in the north, and we've enjoyed some warmer days. The trees are slowly growing pale green leaves, and the landscape is transforming into all shades of different colors. I love this time of year, everything coming to life all around me. It feels magical somehow, all of nature waking from a deep, dark slumber. The forest floor is covered in white and blue wood anemones. It's one of my favorite flowers. It's so tiny, yet the first ones to bloom here, and they cover the whole forest in a sea of white and blue. I think it's beautiful how in nature everything has its time to grow and bloom one by one. The scent in the forest is amazing. It's like this after being raining for quite a few days, and now as the sun is coming out, I can't tell you, I wish I could somehow just transfer you the scent. It's like all these new leaves and the ground and the leaves that have been under the snow, and I really can't describe it. If you could put it in a bottle, you could probably make a fortune. It's so beautiful here. It's still quite cold, about 4 Celsius degrees, and nights are still in minus, but the spring is really here now. And even though the leaves in most of the trees are not there yet, you can see these different kind of pale greens when you walk, and it's just somehow I really love this time of year when everything around you is coming to life, and it's like, everything feels possible somehow, because when the year turns you feel like you have to have all this energy, but you don't. It's still so cold and so dark, and now when the sun is out and nature is waking up, it feels like you're waking up. And if you ever have a chance to come to the Nordic countries in spring, I highly recommend it, because this is one of my favorite seasons. I love all seasons, but somehow this makes me feel most alive, coming to life, like everything around me, and it's so beautiful. All the birds and all the scents and colors, and yeah, I really love this place. And Dante and I are walking to along the river, and I'm trying to find if there is a bridge to get across. We've been walking for an hour now, and I can't believe the forest is so big that you can just walk here, and I just enjoy it so much. Cute. It feels sometimes hard to keep on believing in things when you can't yet see the growth that happens under the surface. When things are uncertain and haven't yet unfolded, it's easy to feel unrooted. When you start to feel anxious or impatient, I find it helps to focus on the simple things in life, the basic things. It makes you more grounded and aware of how things really are, more rooted in the real moment. That's why, usually when I feel anxious or restless, I like to do something grounding, like tending to the garden, work on things with my hands, make bread, or clean the house. Normal things, but they put my mind at ease. And somehow then, it's easier to see things more clearly and keep on working for those dreams you have. Finding balance and strength in life might not always be easy, but lately I've started to think that just as much as you need to work to realize your dreams in life, you need to also let go of things in your life that stop you from moving forward. After moving closer to nature and making the decision to live in a slower pace of life, I've noticed that the insecurities and anxiousness I experienced in the city have mostly vanished. Spending time in the forest nearby and growing things myself make me feel grounded and safe somehow. It's a lifestyle I've always longed for, even though my dream has always been living by the sea in a 200 years old house. But I still find such peace and strength here. I feel I can give more, create more, when I'm not just trying to survive. Now April is coming closer to its end, and in the 1st of May we celebrate spring. I'm wishing you a peaceful spring, full of joy and strength, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.